Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. It's a Notice 7 story. If you are solo stand and can't see other members, this story isn't for you. You are on wrong channel. Watch the story carefully then comment. Be respectful and don't embarrass yourself. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Arthur's point of view. T was scared of thunder. He requested Yoongi to sleep with him. Jaekook saw them sleeping together and got jealous. They started ignoring him and behaving like he was invisible. June and Hobie were also sulking. The ruthless mafia king, who never bothered to anything, became restless by his brother's ignorance. He tried everything, but they weren't ready to talk with him. He asked help from Jin, but he straight denied to help him. T was enjoying to see Yoongi's restless condition and teased him a lot. Yoongi was sad because he couldn't get his brother's attention. T decided to help him. He suggested him to do something special for him. Yoongi went to his mom's room and opened her old trunk in which she used to keep her belongings. Yoongi went to find the recipe book there, but T found the wool's crochet hook there and showed to Yoongi. Yoongi decided to make crochet scarf for Jaekook. He started making the scarf. T was shocked to see this. He wanted to help Yoongi but tangled all the wools. Yoongi scolded him for messing the wools, but later taught him how to use crochet and make things. T made the beautiful keychain for himself. He wrote the letter for Jaekook in which he expressed his all the unexpressed feelings. Also with crochet scarf, both Jaekook became happy to know that they were important for Yoongi. They happily wore the crochet scarf and came to Yoongi and hugged him tightly. They forgave him. June and Hobie were sulking because they didn't get any handmade gift from Yoongi, but Yoongi told them that he gave Jin their mom's recipe book and Jin already prepared the dinner. Everyone happily had their dinner and about to go in their rooms respectively, but Yoongi blasted a new bomb by informing everyone about his decision about tea. Let's see what happens next. Yoongi, I made a decision for Taeyang. He is going to martial art school. Place the form on the table. I already completed all the formalities. He will join from tomorrow evening. He is almost recovered. T, terrified. No, won't go there. Please don't send me away. I will stay at corner and don't disturb anyone. Please let me stay here. I promise I won't ask anything else. Just let me stay with all of you. Yoongi, I will see how you won't go. T looked at Jin with teary eyes. Jinya, please don't send me there. I'm scared. Jin looked at Yoongi. Yoongi, I think T shouldn't go there. At least not now. He isn't ready for it. Yoongi looked at Jin firmly. I won't listen anyone on this matter. He is going, and that's final. I became soft, but I am still Kim Yoongi. Left. T started crying. I won't go. I don't want this. Why can't I live here? Trust me, I won't disturb anyone. I don't need anything. Just let me stay here with you. June, Yoongi Han, I think you need to reconsider your decision. Hobie, yes, T isn't ready. He just recovered. He needs time. Why aren't you understanding? You can't impose your decision on him just because he doesn't have anyone to fight for him. Yoongi heard him and again came downstairs. What did you say? Walked towards Hobie. Hobie, scared and took back a step. Said. Yoongi crossed arm. I'm standing right in front of you. Repeat yourself. Hobie, I just want to say to not be this much harsh with T. If he doesn't want to go there, then why are you forcing him? Yoongi, why am I forcing him? Grabbed T's arm and dragged him in front of everyone. T tried to free himself. Jimin came forward. Hang, please. Cook, you are hurting him. Yoongi looked at them. Move back and don't you dare to utter a single word. Jaekook went back to their previous place. Jin, Yoongi, listen to me. Sit here, we can talk calmly and on this matter. It's not right time. T is in vulnerable condition. He needs time to heal himself. First let him comfortable. Yoongi, comfortable? Vulnerable condition? Right time? Yang, if June or Hobie said this, then I wouldn't be shocked. But you are saying this. There is no right time, Yang. Jin, I know, but Yoongi, do you know when I took him in front of mirror and asked what he saw in his reflection, what he replied? Looked at T. Answer him. T, scared. I said I saw. Yoongi, stop stirring and said exact words what you said to me. T, I said I saw a fragile boy whom everyone hates. Yoongi, hear him? He looks himself as a fragile and helpless boy whom everyone hates. He wants mercy. Do you want to show mercy on him? Dragged him to everyone. Look at him. Do you want to feel pity on him? He is begging for mercy. Why did you bring him here? It's not any shelter home. Looked at T. Are you a beggar? Do you need our mercy to survive? Why do we show mercy on you? Why do you need anyone's support? Listen to me very carefully. Kim Taeyang, your parents are died. Your biggest support system shattered. You have no one to call yours. June, Hyang, what are you saying? Yoongi shouted at June's face. I haven't finished yet, Kim Namjoon. Don't you dare to cut off me. I'm not Hyang who will bear this type of behavior. When I'm talking, none of you are allowed to speak until I ask to you. Looked at Jin. Not even you, Hyang. When I talk, everyone just listen. Not a single whisper I want to hear from anyone's mouth. Set this in your mind. Again looked at T. Your parents died. Your biggest support system shattered. You have no one to call yours. You are living with that family whom your parents cheated, and because of that betrayal, we lost our mom, our life. But what your parents did is nothing related to you. They were sinners, but not you. We hate them, but not with you. We let you live with us because you have no shelter. Nobody is ready to accept you. We aren't showing any mercy on you. Whatever we are, doing just for humanity, which our mom taught us. No matter how much I hate your dad, but truth can't be changed that we are sharing the same blood cells. We are blood related, and because of that, you will get everything what you deserve, not because we love you, because it's your right and we can't snatch it from you. You are an illegitimate child, but we gave you legitimate by giving our surname. This is the truth of your life. You shouldn't forget this. You should know the reality. You aren't a kid, doesn't understand anything. You understand each and everything, Taeyang. You were fragile because you had the support and shelter, but now you lost your everything. You can't afford to be spend your whole life like a fragile. You can't be live like an unwanted responsibility. We are behaving good with you, but don't have this misconception that one day we will accept you and give you the place of our real brother. This will never gonna happen. You can't be a real brother and you shouldn't try to be this. Today you are here, tomorrow if you will have fight with Minnie or Cookie and they will tell you to leave the house, then where would you go? So keep this in your mind that this isn't your house. We aren't your real brother. Don't expect any help from us. Don't expect in future if you ever find yourself in such a situation again, I will come to save you. I won't, not because I don't want to come, because maybe I would busy in any work. You are alone. You don't have anyone. You don't need anyone's mercy. It's your life. You have to live it. Don't think if you would die, all the problem will solve. Life and death isn't in your hand. Life is long and full of thrones. You have to walk alone. You have to make your own fate. Don't compare yourself with Minnie and Cookie. They have their own four hands to handle them if they tremble, but you don't have anyone. You have to learn how to fall and again stand up. You have to make your own identity. You have to make yourself enough strong to handle your own matter. You can't live like a delicate doll, Taeyang. You don't have this privilege. No need to feel pity on yourself. Neither did let anyone to do. Stand up on your feet. Fight for your own battle. These can't be possible just by words. You are physically, mentally, emotionally, financially weak. You have to make yourself strong. Martial art will make you mentally, physically, and emotionally strong. Minnie and Cookie are also practicing this, but you will go to different martial art school. We will pay for your expenses, but I want when you complete your high school graduation, you do part time jobs, pay for your studies and expenses, make yourself educated by your money. It's not like we can't pay for you, we can pay whole life for you, but by this you can't be independent. You have to be self made. Don't depend on us. Minnie and Cookie can be dependent, but you don't. Tomorrow, when you look at the mirror, you will proudly say to your reflection that you are self made. You aren't surviving on anyone's mercy. Never let yourself forget that you are alone. Problems are in everyone's life. If you cry and complain, you won't get anything. You have to make the situation bearable for yourself. Don't think you are very young. You can't do this. We were young too. We also didn't get time to mourn. We are here with you like a shadow. We can cheer for you but can't fight. Looked at everyone. He isn't our real brother. He doesn't need to be. He is good at his place. If he has to move on, he should have left his comfort first. Let him reply everyone by his own. My decision is final and it won't be changed. Left his arm and went to his room. Hobie, Minnie, Cookie, take tea in his room. Jimin, Cook grabbed his hand. Let's go, Hang. Left. June looked at Jin, who was sitting on the couch. Yoongi Hang has no control over his tongue. He again said those hurtful words to T. T is still recovering. It's not easy for him to accept the truth. Why didn't you say anything to him? Hobie, yes, Yang, I also feel this time Yoongi Yang crossed his all the limits. What was the need for him to say that he is alone and there is no one whom he can say his own? He isn't alone. We are his Yangs. One side he fixed his pendant with 7 beads, and other side made him realize his past and completely break him. By great difficulty, T started leaning on us. He started treating us as his family. Now because of him, he will again become silent. June. And what was Dad doing part-time jobs and earn for his own studies? He doesn't need to do anything. We are his hands. We will pay for him just like Minnie and Cookie. He doesn't need to struggle for anything. He will work when his studies will complete. We will pay for his whole studies. If he wants to go abroad for higher studies, we will pay for that too. When we already decided that he will get everything just like Minnie and Cookie, then why did he say this to T? Hang, are you listening? Jin, I listened each and everything, June. I understand you both are concerned. I'm also concerned for T. I stopped Yoongi before because at that time he was wrong. But today his intentions weren't wrong. He said T dad to show him mirror. You didn't understand the meaning of his words. His words weren't meant to hurt T but to inspire him to become independent. T is weak not because he is physically and mentally weak but because he thought himself a weak. He looked himself as a helpless boy whom everyone hates, but that's not the truth. With this mentality, he will never move on. He lost his parents and he has to come out from that trauma. He has to become strong, not because we can't protect him, because he should protect himself. He shouldn't look at us for help. T has the tag of illegitimate child and people will taunt him throughout his life. We can't present everywhere to protect him. Think about it. If he expects anything from us and we wouldn't fulfill his expectation, then he will hurt more. Expectations hurt. In future, T will compare himself with Minnie and Cookie. He shouldn't forget his root. And about being independent, that was also for his own benefits. In front of us, people won't say anything, but behind our back, T have to listen so many things. If he earned, he would be confident. He will reply them without any hesitation. If he already knows the truth, he will never compare himself with Minnie and Cookie. Minnie and Cookie got jealous just to see Yoongi sleeping with T. Just think, tomorrow if we do anything for T, they won't share their jealousy with us. They start hating T. There is nothing wrong to be self-made. Today he is scared to face himself, but tomorrow he will proudly say to himself that he was self-made. After mom's demise, we have to struggle a lot. He has to do it. And about these can't be our real brother, so it's the truth. Jungi didn't mean that we can't accept T or treat him differently. He meant some relations are different. Sometimes a cousin is more closer than a real sibling. T doesn't need to be a real brother. We will accept each other with our relation. We are steps. No need to complicate it. Among all of us, Yungi can relate with T the most. After mom's death, I took her place and took care of house and Jacob. June took the place of dad. Bobby was busy in his medical studies. Jacob were babies, but Yungi, he didn't move on. He locked himself in mom's room for 3 months. He was so attached with her. His emotions never took out. As a result, he became ruthless and cruel, which he never was. He didn't want T will go through the same phase which once he went through. T should use his emotion in right thing. He shouldn't stay alone and think about his parents. He will never move on by this. Yungi was right today. His tone was high, but concern was correct. Minnie and Cookie also learned self-defense techniques. T should also learn it. If Yungi decided to train him in other martial art school, then it might have any reason behind it. June, be ready. Tomorrow we will admit T in Minnie and Cookie's school. I already talked with principal about it. Hobby, complete the formalities of T's surname. T will be known as Kim Taeyang. We aren't leaving T, we are making him strong. Meanwhile, with T, Jacob brought T in his room, who was still terrified by going to martial art school. He didn't know anything about it. He wasn't crying. T, while looking down and playing with his hem of sleeve. Will you come to meet me there? What if I do any mistake and they kick me? I will fly. I saw in TV. Their teacher is so strict. They tell to break the tiles by your hands and leg. Cook. But why will we come to meet you there? T. More sad. Not even a single time? Jimin. But why do you want us to meet you? You can meet us at home. T. But sir already decided to send me away. How would I meet you at home? Jimin. Just like now. Wait a minute. What do you exactly think? T. Sir is sending me to martial art school for forever and now I have to live there. Cook started laughing. You will be happy if I leave? Cook. No. Pulled his cheeks. You're so cute, Nihang. Yoongi Hangi is sending you to martial art school to learn self-defense. You will stay here, just go there on time like school. Me and Minnie Hangi are also going to learn Taekwondo. T. Shiny sparkling eyes. Really? I don't need to leave you? Jimin. Of course you don't. And they won't tell you to break the tiles at first day. First they train you. If anyone bother you, you can teach them lesson. It's very important. T nervously laughed. How dumb I am. Cook. T Hang, don't be sad. Yoongi Hangi is like this. He also shout He always shout and threaten everyone. Jimin, but he isn't bad. He only wants you to not feel pity and helpless. Cook, yes, he is so soft, but only for few minutes. He is a living volcano that can blast at any time. Soon you will be habitual of it. Jin came there. Titi, are you alright? T looked at Jin and smiled. Cook. Jinny Hangi. He thought Yungi Hangi is sending him forever. T pout. That wasn't my fault. I saw in some drama in that all the students have to learn martial art by staying there. But now when I know I can stay here, I'm not scared. Jin, good. You shouldn't be scared. T, but I'm little scared. I never fight before, so I don't know what I will do there. Jin, they will teach you from beginning. There is nothing to worry. Now take your medicine and we will admit you in Minnie and Cookie's school tomorrow. Cookie, Minnie, finish your milk and go to sleep. T took the medicine and glass of milk. I will drink. Ran from there. Jin, now where are you going? Ash, this boy is always running. Minnie, Cookie, Jacob, place the empty glass of milk on the tray. Finish. T directly came to Yungi's room and found he was talking on call. He went to him and picked the glass of water and threw it, then transferred half milk in it and showed to Yungi. Yungi, wait a minute. Hold the call. What? Why are you showing this to me? Tea. Drink it, half half. Yungi, do you think I'm a child who drink milk? I'm a mafia king. Tea. Mafia king needs energy too. See, I brought my medicine too. I will gulp it only if you drink the milk. Yungi raised his one eyebrow. Are you blackmailing me? Tea. No, I'm just telling you. If I If you don't drink milk, I will also not drink. If I won't drink milk, then I won't take medicine. If I won't take medicine, then I won't be recovered. If I won't recover, Hobi will be worried and complain to Jin Hyang, and Jin Hyang will come to scold me. Then I will tell him that you wouldn't drink. That's why I wouldn't drink the milk. Then Yungi flicked his finger on T's forehead. How much you talk? Drink in one go. Now go. T happily gulped the medicine with milk and back hugged Yungi. Thank you so much for everything. I will become strong, and one day I promise I will save your life. Yungi smiled. A fragile boy like you saved Mafia King's life. Don't dream big. T, I will prove you it. Wiped his milk mustache on Yungi's back and happily left. Yungi, ew! You wiped your lips on my clothes. You brat, come here. T, from outside. Brat is going to sleep. Good night and sweet dreams. Yungi, hasn't he started dancing on my head? He isn't scared of me. I have to do something. Do you know, today is the blood moon night, the night of transformation, when bad omens rise in power. In folk tales, under the blood moon, a human can transform into a werewolf and gain supernatural powers. But don't worry, it's totally safe. You can watch it with your naked eyes. It's a beautiful and rare phenomenon. If you are in India, look up around 11 pm to witness the full blood moon. Enjoy the view, but if you are pregnant, then it's better to skip it. To be continued. Arthur's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. How was Yoongi's decision of making tea strong and independent? I know you all want everyone to accept T as their real brother, which is technically not possible. T can never get the place of Jacob. T has his own place, and T also knew this. Rather than expecting others' mercy and seeking their help, he should learn how to fight back for himself without anyone's support. It's very important for him. Yoongi can relate with T much better than others because, just like Jin said, everyone made themselves busy in work, but Yoongi never moved on. He had his five brothers, but T didn't have. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with next part. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret all your decision. Thanks for watching.